Welcome to another episode of Tune Up Fridays. I'm Stone from Marketing, and today we're looking at Mr. Electrician. They're serving the Leicester area, and as the name implies, they are an electrician. So looking at their website, it looks quite neat, well organized. When you scroll down, you can see that you have a client's feedback section, which is quite useful because it helps build more trust with users, especially in the way that they have done it, because it's reviews from Google, which generally speaking are harder to fake. And when you scroll down here, you can see that they have their phone numbers clickable, their email clickable, which brings convenience for the users because it's quite simpler for them to get in touch with the company and ask for a quote, for example. But here is also a room for improvement. So they have a section called services here, and they have a section here. It just briefly mentions what they're doing. So a suggestion here is if they create separate pages for each of those services, so they could be doing like path testing, wiring, rewiring, each of those can have a separate page and information dedicated to that service in particular. So they can be talking about how the service is being done, how long does it take, what are the recommendations, what insurances or licenses or certificates they have, etc., etc. And that is going to help them in two ways. First, it's going to give the information to the users so users can see what they're actually doing. And then it's going to help Google get more information about the business. So if someone is looking now for, like, let's say path testing, and this business is not showing it up, then Google is not going to show the business. But if there was a page dedicated to that talks about the in and out of path testing, then it was going to be quite more likely for Google to show them closer to the top. And respectively, when someone clicks on their website, it's quite easier for them to be converted into a paying customer. For those of you who are new to the series, this is Tune Up Fridays, and it's aimed to show you quick wins to either drive more traffic to your business or to make it convert better. And as I mentioned, my name is Stoyan from Marketing. It's a marketing agency where we help local businesses get more customers with their website, with their business profiles, and you get the idea. So I suggested here just one element, but it's an important one. And the aim is that if implemented, it's going to drive more customers, and it's something that won't actually break your bank account if you implement it. And what I showed is just a small part of what we're actually looking into when working with local businesses. Our end goal is always the same: to drive more customers to our clients so they can make more money. And if there is something you want to add, or you want to see your website featured in one of those next series, you can comment below, or you can just visit Marketing and get in touch with us. Until the next Tune Up Friday.